Japan investigates Bitcoin crime, the Bank of Canada tries to understand, and who let the Doge out? Hello, I'm Rebecca Ahn, and here's what's happening today in Money and Tech. The U.S.-China Economic and Security Review Commission released a report on Monday entitled Bitcoin's Uncertain Future in China, which indicates that China's crackdown on Bitcoin could threaten to undermine the industry's global economy. The report states, if Chinese regulators successfully prevent Chinese users from accessing Bitcoin, the global Bitcoin market will face continued price declines, significantly decreased trading volumes, and threats to its legitimacy. This could ultimately force China's Bitcoin economy off mainland to Hong Kong, which the report contends is the most suitable transplant location ahead of Singapore and South Korea. According to Kyodo News International, Japan's Ministry of Economy intends to investigate how they can monitor illegal Bitcoin activity on the web, given the government's growing fears that criminal organizations are using Bitcoin for money laundering and drug dealing. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe also reportedly plans to formally classify Bitcoins as a new type of value-added electronic record, similar to credit cards, rather than currency. But far from imposing regulation, Abe's Liberal Democratic Party is hoping to use the digital currency to bolster foreign investment and business in Japan. The Bank of Canada released a report Tuesday titled Understanding Platform-Based Digital Currencies, which studies whether centralized digital currency platforms such as Facebook or Amazon could replace credit cards in the near future. The report highlights the speculation from some that these currencies could become widely accepted and could even compete with national currencies, and adds that digital currencies represent innovations that could increase the efficiency of retail payments. However, it concludes that for the most part, digital currencies issued by proprietary internet platforms are unlikely to affect existing national payment systems in any significant way. DogeVault posted an announcement on Sunday that their online wallet service has been hacked, forcing them to immediately halt operations in order to assess the attack and potential impact on users' funds. Not much more is known at this time, but the company has promised more news soon. A new Bitcoin hedge fund is launching this week from Coin Capital Management, which will buy and hold the digital currency for clients in what managing partner Samuel Kahn calls an institutional-grade hedge fund, using the same types of checks and balances that investors have come to expect. And in the UK, Bitcoin exchange Bittylicious has announced that EU citizens can now use Visa and MasterCard to buy Bitcoins on its platform, with the goal of making the Bitcoin buying process as simple as possible. Currently, these credit and debit card payments can only be made in euros, but there are plans to add other EU currencies in the upcoming weeks. The inaugural Bitcoin Finance Conference and Expo will gather together the most innovative and influential leaders in the Bitcoin, payments, and financial services industries on July 3rd and 4th at the Royal Dublin Society in Ireland. Among these featured attendees will be leading companies Circle, Stripe, BitPay, Blockchain.info, and BTC China. The event's founder, Virgil Murray, intends for attendees to leave with a unique understanding of the opportunities and risks that digital currency presents to payment networks, financial institutions, corporations, and regulatory authorities. We spoke with Bitcoin entrepreneur and compliance expert Juan Llanos at the recent Bitcoin job fair, who had much to say about both the current regulatory challenges and opportunities for Bitcoin around the world. Find that interview, along with more information on today's news stories at moneyandtech.com. I'm Rebecca Ahn, and thanks for watching Money and Tech's Daily News Update.